What's good, y'all? We back. Another tier list video. This time, this time, it's the Naruto characters tier list.
Naruto's characters. I tried to like do an accent with it, but I think it like fucked up.
I don't know, but let's get started.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a long video, low key though.
Low key. Are you up for it?
Oh yeah, of course. I'm down. Alright, let's go.
Okay, Onko. This is Naruto. You see her body? Yeah, this is Naruto.
This is all of Naruto, so include Shippuden and Boruto.
She wasn't even
Shippuden?
Like,
yeah. Nah, I'm just talking about like for all the characters, like include Shippuden and Boruto.
Oh, okay.
Like what all they did.
Well, it's like
only a couple.
Yeah, because it was moderate.
Yeah. Alright,
so this is all.
Yeah.
All? Okay. If she would have
stayed the same,
she would be S. I'm not.
Well, I don't know about S.
I'll go. But what they did at her board though?
B.
I was gonna put her in C. It was. It was so appalling.
Yeah,
like no shaming and shit, but like, how you turn this into this?
I know. I'm gonna put the It's.
You agree on this? C?
Yeah. Homeboy.
A.
A?
Yeah. Wait, is this A? I literally forgot his name.
I don't know. I forgot his name, but he was in the Boruto. Oh shit. He was in Boruto. He was a good little villain. I'll put him at B.
B?
C.
He wasn't like that.
He's not up there. He's not up there with all them boys.
Awesome. That's a B. A?
Hey, Asuma's a dog, bro.
B,
don't sleep. Asuma's a... He got the hands, bro. No bullshit.
He got the bare nuts.
He's cold with it. No bullshit. He's cold with it.
Okay, this is the... I don't know if this is the second or third. This is the one before A.
Yeah.
He was alright.
Yeah, I agree.
No special.
A.
Oh, A?
Oh, what the fuck? A.
Technical difficulty. Yeah, A.
I fuck with him.
A's an I know. Y'all didn't hear that. Okay, this dude. He was in the first arc.
I don't know.
No. No, he was in the original, the sand taking over the leaf. Remember when Orochimaru was in the Hokage seats, and then he was like right next to him making the plans and stuff like that. Remember? He wasn't really that interesting.
Yeah.
He wasn't interesting. Was it? Oh, let's start with a C.
Chio. Granny Chio.
Chio.
B. I'll put her at B. What?
D. Jeez.
Bro, she had that fight with Sakura. And her versus Sasori.
No.
Sasori.
No.
Bro, that fight was cold, bro.
Boring.
Bro,
I didn't like anything in that
before I think, she saved your boy Gaara.
I didn't even. Okay, Loki.
What do you mean? Okay, he would be dead right now.
Okay, Loki.
He would be smoking
Guess what? I wouldn't even. I'm saying
you're not Gaara. You're not Gaara, bro.
No. Part 1 Gaara, I would have been like, yo, save him. Shippuden Gaara, get him out of here.
I know. Shippuden Gaara be. He be sucking.
Why you doing so aggressive?
Bro, because he be sucking Naruto's schlong, bro. But nah, put her at B, bro. She's
not. No.
Alright, C.
Okay.
Like top of C though, right there. Alright, bet. I'll agree with that.
Choji.
C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he's from the.
He was the servant.
Mizukage's
servant, right? Or
he wasn't interesting.
Whoa, I put him at C though.
He was not interesting.
In Boruto, he did his thing.
To be honest, I didn't watch the filler.
He was doing
stuff
Boruto?
Yeah, I didn't watch.
He was doing his thing in Boruto. You got to put him at C though. He did his thing. A little bit though. He's cool.
Choji's dad.
Ikarika.
Nearly.
D.
Yeah, he did nothing.
Donzo. Hey, I know you go. Hey, no, listen.
Fuck Donzo in the shot.
Fuck I said Lonzo.
Lonzo. My fault. I need my come after you.
We're talking about some Lonzo ball. Fuck Donzo. He's a bitch.
But he's a good villain.
Yeah. So I gotta put him at B.
Okay, you know.
At B. Come on.
Okay, yeah. Villain wise.
But hate wise, like come on.
Hate wise, fuck him.
Like we hate Donzo,
but villain wise, he's good.
If this was by like, come on, like Donzo, we off. Everybody hates Donzo. Come on.
Literally everybody.
Fuck Donzo. If you like Donzo,
you sucking.
Yeah, mom.
Alright. Joey.
B.
B?
Yeah, I fuck with him.
Yeah, he was alright.
He's cool. He did this thing also in Boruto.
Data, trash.
Nah, come on.
He's annoying. He's annoying. Him and Sasori. No, him are annoying. Sasori's boring. He is annoying. Sasori's
listen,
boring.
listen.
The two out of the whole Katsuki, I do not like those two.
Listen.
I do not like those.
What?
Two. Those two out of the whole, I do not like those. And Zetsu. Those three, I do not like.
Zetsu is the worst. I don't like him. But listen, Deidara, right?
Got clapped by Sasuke. Even though Sasuke, that fight was tough. The fight was tough. The ending was so dumb. It was so dumb.
Everybody talks about it. Sasuke should have died. No bullshit.
Yeah.
If that would have happened, Deidara would have clapped Sasuke. Sasuke would not. Even though that's my favorite character, Sasuke, he's a dog, right? But you gotta give him respect.
No, I ain't giving him.
He was scrapping, but he was scrapping with Sasuke.
He was annoying ass. N-word. He's an annoying ass N-word.
But listen. You gotta put him at B.
I'm not. He was slonging him.
High C. No. I fucking hate this nigga. Especially in Storm, they just be throwing the little bombs.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, come on, C. Like above Anko, at least, bro. There we go. I'm not gonna say he's at A. Like, but he's
who's at A? Actually, no, you on that S?
Yo, that's my first S. No debate. Yes, sir. Okay. Homeboy.
This dude.
You got clapped.
He was only literally made to get clapped by Sasuke and Gaara.
Wait, that's kind of sounds like.
Nah,
that's weird.
I mean, Gaara be doing.
Hashirama S. It's my dog. Wait, is that?
It's Hashirama?
Yeah. What? No, put him the S. No. Come on, bro.
Cool.
Is that?
He's cool. Oh, Hashirama is cool. It's just a
bro.
cool character.
Put A. Hey, bro.
Okay. He's cool.
Reanimated though, put him at S. You got reanimated or Hashirama's at S.
Yeah. It should be an
Who's
S
this?
plus. I'm not even
Oh, of course. It's Itachi. Come on.
Actually, where's both Itachis?
Nah, don't get that. Go on. Even though we agree on that. Madara, is that reanimated? No, that's.
Is this reanimated? To be honest, there's this one, right? And then there's I don't know which one's reanimated.
That's reanimated because that's in Storm.
Okay, so this is.
So that put him at A. With Hashirama.
Alright, I'm about to click something else.
Alright, right there. Because we didn't see that much of him.
Yeah.
You know.
This Minato.
Minato. C?
I don't like him.
I'll put him at B. B.
Yeah, I don't like him.
He's cool though. Alright. What in that little form?
I just don't like him in general.
Oh damn! Why not? You got something against him?
He's just annoying. He's
Wait,
like,
what?
He's annoying. Sorry, he's annoying.
What you mean he's annoying?
Or he's just like not. He's just like, hey, yo, writer, bro. Give me all these broken, hacked abilities real quick, like, bro.
Hey, but he died early on though.
And he came back to, and he was armless, and he was. Still,
I know he was still bodying niggas.
Like, bro.
Nagato.
I like Naruto.
Reanimated too. That's from the war. That's war, right?
No, this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
an
like,
A.
yeah, that's A. Where's Pain? I'm about to put him S plus.
No, you can't. You're too crazy. Reanimated Mara S.
Yeah.
So S.
Which one is it?
No matter. All of Sasuke is S. All of Sasuke is S.
That's bad.
Obito. What?
I kill him.
Why not?
I don't like him.
Why not?
So we started a whole war over some dead Koshi.
Listen,
We don't like this pill.
I'll put
Neighborhood
Obito
watch.
C. Listen, I'll put Obito C tier, but I'll put him at the bottom, like right here. Come on.
He's staying here.
Come on.
He's staying here. He's staying here.
Vince, come on, bro.
He's staying. Actually, this is masked up Obito, so we don't really know. Actually, is there another version of Obito? Like unmasked one? If there is, I'll put him at C. Because unmasked is unbearable. Where's the O's? Oh no, there's it's only one. Yeah, he's staying at D.
Bro, come on, bro.
D, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Come on, bro. C, bro.
I'm sorry.
The C, bro. He's a C.
So Naruto. Right?
Nah, bro. Come on, nah, bro.
You know, actually.
Whoa, this nigga talking about. Nah.
Why?
You talking about Sage? Not Sage Sick Pass. That is Sage Sick Pass. I'm wild.
This is Kurama.
Oh yeah, Kurama. My fault.
It's an A. He's it.
Nah, that's an S, bro.
It's a cool A.
Nah, bro.
Cool
You a
A.
Naruto hater, bro.
How am I a hater if he's an A?
Bro,
He's in the top.
he's an S. That's the main character.
If I was a hater, he would be in C or D.
Naruto's the main character. He was
So?
doing his thing.
You think I care?
No, he was doing his thing. He got the Kuruma.
So it was just really cool.
You know how long
it
it
was
took
just
him?
really cool.
Bro, you know how long it took him to control that?
It was just really cool.
To get Kuruma?
It was just
He's like,
really cool.
Kuruma, please give me your power.
I'm
Daddy
not gonna
Kuruma, please, bro. Daddy Kuruma, please. I tell my friends all the time, Kuruma be saving this nigga all the time.
Yeah.
And he deserves it.
Okay, right. It was cool. It was just really cool.
Bro, you a Naruto hater, bro. It's called Naruto Shippuden. You a Naruto hater, bro.
Stop it, bro.
Come on.
Okay, he has cool moments like that, but then his like character draws it back a little bit. One, he be sucking Sasuke off. Like
God.
Bodhigara does. No, Bodhigara does is Naruto. He sucks Sasuke more.
No, but Sasuke was gone, so he couldn't do that to Sasuke.
There,
Bro,
yap.
Nah, bro.
You happy?
No.
Bro, I'm about to throw a pillow at you, bro. What is you doing?
He's a S tier.
He's usually how much we gotta go through. Why you arguing me with it, bro?
What the
Alright, next one.
Bro, I still think this nigga, look at this nigga.
It's just a cool, his Sage is 6 man. Like,
bro, we gonna
the one with the staffing, that's cooler to me.
Yeah, it is cooler. But nah.
Okay,
Ooh. B.
Yeah.
B.
Okay.
Gara.
This is Shippuden, Gara.
Bro, relax. You wildin'. You're a Nah, he's a B, bro.
He's a Naruto sucker.
He's a B. I know he's that, but come on, bro. He's a B,
Naruto
bro.
sucker. He's not good,
bro.
He's powerful.
Just because you don't like, bro, you can't just put him at D, bro. If you said like,
okay, you think B, I think D, so C.
Nah, bro. You can't do Bro, Shippuden Gara.
I need that nigga that was bloodthirsty.
Bro,
This nigga cares about flowers.
You're just a menace. You a menace.
Yo,
you're just a menace.
Bro, literally, no joke. Part 1, Naruto, Gara had you shit in your pants.
Because Gara...
Shippuden Gara,
listen.
how'd you make it flowers? By 3 p.m.
Listen. Gara, like, Naruto Gara, like the kid Gara, he was a menace. Black Air Force energy.
Of course.
He ate ice cream with his teeth. He was chomping that motherfucker.
Chomping.
And that's what you like.
Yeah.
Because you a menace.
Of course.
What?
But I like this blade.
This Gara, he's still a menace, but he's not that crazy.
He's not a menace.
He wasn't doing shit like that. Like, he wasn't... You know what I'm saying?
Bro, remember when Sasuke infiltrated the 5 Kage Summon?
Yeah.
And Gara got away?
Because...
Bro, literally Gara...
Listen.
If he was in part
Because he had Naruto's dick in his ass, bro. He was like, no, I'm about to do this shit for Naruto, bro. That's why he wanted to do that.
Bro, like, literally.
But he had that fight with Sasuke. It was cool. It's got it, bro. A B, bro. A low B. Nah, this nigga's OD. This nigga's OD. Don't put that nigga at B.
Hey, bro, I'm just like, I'm putting him.
He better be at C.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Bro, Gara gotta be up.
No,
bro.
No,
yes.
get your fingers off me.
What? Hold on. Get your fingers off me. Gara is B.
No.
Nigga, oh my god. If anything, bro.
I don't even know.
If you don't put Obito at B, you got to put Gara at B. Because you just like niggas who are menaces. Like, what nigga gonna talk about put him at D?
This was like raging Obito. He was kind of cool with it. He just murking everybody.
But Gara was doing his thing too.
Okay, but this is literally
That's Gara in Shippuden in the war too, though.
He didn't do
He
shit.
did I in the war. He
didn't do much in the war.
I know, but it was still Gara though.
Side character.
I enjoyed
side character.
Bro, Sasuke's a side character. He's an ass, bro.
I think no, Sasuke got way more. He's a rival to the protagonist.
I know, but he's still
Sasuke the antagonist.
That's true. Nah, but there's multiple antagonists though. Like, what's his name? Pain or Naruto? Whatever.
Yeah. Okay. They just got like more interesting characters.
But nah,
Gara got a decline.
Bro, in Boruto, he's shit. If you said
Boruto, he does nothing. Boruto.
Yeah, Boruto's a D. But nah, put him at B, bro. You put fucking Obito at B?
Cause this one. This is the nigga.
This is the nigga. Wait, hold on.
No, this is young.
Wait. Bro, I don't care. You can say all you want, nigga. Gara deserves B, bro. Everybody knows that.
No, bro.
Now we keep going, bro.
Here's your shorty.
I'll put her at A. my shorty. That's my shorty.
Yeah.
Oh, is it really?